Hi guys, welcome back to another videos. Oh my god, this is my third videos filming in a day consecutively. My goodness, I'm so proud of myself. So every time I upload a new video, I feel like, oh my god, I did something good for the day. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys the products that I have been reaching lately more often, a lot when I do my makeup. So I think it's really good. That's why I want to recommend you guys as these products that I've been loving. There are not too many products here, so don't get really like overwhelmed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, maybe 10, only 10 products. Let's start with the base products, with base makeup stuff in no particular order. Let me take a drink. So first products, start from the very base. I like to recommend you guys, I mean, not recommend, you don't have to buy this, trust me. When I watch other people YouTuber, I feel like I have to buy uh, whatever they recommended. You don't have to. Maybe this is more like entertainment or knowledge-based purposes. The first product is this one. I got a long time ago, but like a year ago. But this is a Dr.Brandt pore refiner primer, and it is 1 ounce. This one is expensive, like 40 something, but I got it on sale during Ulta, 50% off, something like that. So this one is a pore primer. I feel like it's similar to the pore professional from Benefit Cosmetic, that famous one. I have a lot of pore in the middle of my T-zone, like this in my nose, especially in the chin, forehead, a little bit on the cheek. So I love using this products. It's not as thick as the other one, the Benefit one, but I like this one. So been reaching it all the time. So yeah, recommend you get this product. Been loving it for a while. The next product is foundation. I'm gonna upload more ASMR videos, so stay tuned. So the next product is the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This one has been raving by some YouTubers, so yeah, and this one is about $11 at Ulta. This one I got in the shade 20 warm beige. Okay, this foundation is very light. The texture is very thin. The texture is thin, so I really like it. So yeah, really like this foundation. Try it out, guys. When I say when I recommend something, I know I'm telling the truth and nothing but the truth. I mean, if you don't like it, you can return it. The thing about makeup products is everybody's skin is different, you know, so it's hard for me to recommend you something and then everybody will like it, you know what I'm saying. Take my opinion with a grain of salt. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Is the Dior. Recently, I never got Dior products before, only recently that I tried Dior. This one is a Dior Forever Skin Correct in the shade 2W Warm. This is skin light concealer, so I put under my eyes, and I feel like it doesn't look cakey or it doesn't look like a makeup stuff. That's why I like it. This one is like 30 something dollar, so a little bit pricey, but man, I feel, oh, it's time that I try high-end makeup. Okay, when I first started out my channel, I only use like very cheap makeups, you know, because I didn't really know too much about makeup. But now I know, after 6 7 years, almost 7 years, honey, I need to treat myself better. I feel, ooh. Okay, next product. Boom. Wait, more foundation. So the next product is, I got this one on sale. It's a Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. This foundation, I got this one in the shade Y305, and this is a powder foundation. This powder foundation is very natural on your skin. I don't really like using powder foundation because I have dry skin, so I feel like powder foundation might make my skin more dry. So I got two color. When the website a couple months ago was on sale, like 50% off, so I got two shade because I didn't know that it would which one would match me more, so I picked the shade Y05 and Y335. So yeah, if you do research on these products, a lot of YouTubers say that they are very good. That's why I bought this stuff. So yeah, so highly recommend the matte velvet skin from Makeup Forever. So the next product is setting powder, and I have two setting powder products here. Of course, this is the most famous one, and this one is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Powder, and I have the shade in number 2, medium. This is a little bit drying if you have like dry skin. So I have two products here, setting powder. This one is amazing, even though it's a little bit drying, mattifying. It's not too mattifying, so it's still good if you have dry skin, because I have kind of dry skin, so I do use it, love it. Usually I never finish a makeup products before, but I feel like this powder, I can definitely finish it up soon. And this one is about $45, but I got it on sale for like 43 or 40 on Sephora, because I have like a 20% discount or something like that. But if your skin is more on the dry side, you would probably like this one. The next products I want to recommend you guys is the Dior Backstage face and body powder, no powder, setting finishing powder. I got the shade 2N neutral. This one is less drying than the Charlotte Tilbury, but picking up the powder might be a little bit more difficult, I feel like. But it's still good. It's still like when you put it on, it feel like the name that say powder, no powder. When you put it on a lot, it doesn't feel like you put on a lot. It doesn't feel like you put on anything on your face. So that's very interesting, right? So yeah, I would recommend this if you want to try it out. So the next one, I got this Korean. It's called the 3CE eyeshadow palette, and I got the one called Dear New. I think Dear New. And this one is very natural, so I can put it on my crease just for a little bit definition, and I love it, loving it. This one I think it was about, I think, 20 something dollars. So look at the shade, very natural, right? The powder, this is a Korean product. The powder is smooth and buttery. This is a Korean product. I don't usually buy Korean makeups because I feel like they're very light. But for my eyeshadow, I don't really wear like colorful eyeshadow in daily life. Maybe makeup like a picture stuff, but for daily wear, this one I like it. In American in American pool of makeup brands, I haven't seen much very light colors eyeshadow from many companies. So this 3CE is the one from Korea. You can buy it on eBay. I will list everything down in the description box, all the products I mentioned in this video. Okay, move on to the next product is here we go again with Dior. I'm hooked on the brand. This one is the Dior Backstage Contour Palette, and this, some people like it, some people don't, but I feel like it gives me a very I know, I like it. It gives me like a chisel kind of look. It doesn't look fake to me, so that's why I like it. I got it because it was on sale, like 15%, I think, to 20% on Sephora when they have a sale. So that's why I got this. I wasn't planning to buy this one, but I couldn't miss the opportunity to get a little bit discount on this product. This is the Dior again, once again, Dior Backstage Contour Palette. I couldn't miss the opportunity to save a little bit on high-end products, you know. Last product. Oh my god, 11 minutes already. Ooh, I'm fast. 1 minute per product. Okay, so the next product is the Film Star Bronze and Glow mini palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This shade right here is the highlighter, and this one is the sculpting powder. But for my medium skin tone, I feel like the sculpting powder is very light, but it still works. But the reason I want to recommend you guys this product is because I have never seen a sculpting powder this color, number one, but I mostly use it for under my eyes, as eyeshadows, colors. This gives my eyeshadow colors, the base of my eyeshadows, the most natural, beautiful that other eyeshadow palette cannot give. Even the 3CE palette I bought for that purpose, it doesn't, no color in here give me the finish of this sculpting powder colors. You know what I'm saying? What am I trying to say is that I use this sculpting powder for my eyeshadows. It's beautiful to me. That's why I really love this palette. Also, I like the highlighter powders because it gives like a natural kind of, I don't know, seamless, smooth, not too highlighting, but more like a glow within kind of finish. That's why I want to recommend you guys this product. So yeah, so that's all the products in this video that I want to recommend you guys. But anyway, hopefully you guys find this video helpful, and thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to make a lot of videos, so I might be a little bit rush. I feel rush. If I talk rush, I apologize. And hopefully you like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to thumb up on this video and share or whatever. I usually don't like saying that because if people like, they like, but I have to say it so to remind you guys. But anyway, thank you so much. Ooh, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.